Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is Boxycharm box time, you guys, and I am in receipt of my February base box from Boxycharm. And it did sit out in the mailbox for a while because I live in Texas, so you guys know that we've been going through an extreme winter storm here, and there has been some really difficult situations and circumstances that some of us have had to deal with. So needless to say, I have to admit that checking the mailbox was not high on my priority list, but I did get around to it and my box was waiting for me there inside. So let's go ahead and get into this box. This is a Boxycharm box for the month of February, so it's only befitting for them to acknowledge Valentine's Day. So the theme for this month's box is love. So you've got XOXO on the card. Really cute info card from Boxycharm. And the first item in my Boxycharm box is this beautiful palette from Beaute. It is the Nostalgia palette, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's got some beautiful shades, lovely pops of color in this palette. This palette would be a good palette to use standalone, but also an awesome companion palette. If you wanted to use another palette, maybe to get some warmer transition shades and things like that, you could do that, and then jump over into this palette to get some of those pops of color. It would work out either way. Today, I created this look using only shades in this palette, and I think this look turned out absolutely gorgeous. This is a little bit different than what I would normally do, but spring and summer is right around the corner, so it's going to be time for us to get into some of those more vibrant type of eyeshadow looks. So this is a palette that definitely will help me to do that. And the Boxycharm info card states the Nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. As you can see, based upon my eye look, the color payoff is gorgeous. It is definitely there with the Beaute palettes, but I think that that's going to be on par with all the Beaute palettes. I've got a couple of them in my collection, and all of them are bangers when it comes to color payoff, so no different here. And you guys are going to be able to see that color payoff and also see this palette in action in the demo portion of this video. And the suggested retail cost for this palette is $38.99. And this next item is from Tula Skincare, and this is their So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. This is what the actual product package looks like, and I have never heard of Tula Skincare before, but again, that's one of the things I really like about Boxycharm, is that I always get a chance to try out new products. But the information on the Boxycharm info card about this Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub, it states, got pores? Get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads and deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. So it's always good to have some type of product that's going to help to minimize those pores, and this is an interesting product. So yeah, I am interested to try this out. Never heard of Tula before, but I will come back and let you guys know my thoughts about this product once I actually start using it. And the retail cost for the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub is $32. This next item is from Tristique, and this is not the first time that we've gotten an item in our Boxycharm box from this brand. But yeah, I like Tristique. I think the last product that we got may have been a lip product, but this one is for the eyes, and this is the Tristique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. And I did use this eye pencil to create this look today, so you'll be able to see this in action in the demo portion of the video as well. So you get these two items in the box. This is an eyeliner pencil, and this is the mascara. And what's interesting about this mascara is that you get the typical mascara wand, but then you also have on the other end here, this also comes off, and this is an eyelash curler. So this is the little eyelash curler part of this mascara. That's pretty cute, almost kind of gimmicky like. But yeah, these are the two products that came in the Boxycharm box from Tristique. And the Boxycharm info card states that this is an eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil, formulated for sensitive eyes, features a luxurious, versatile gel formula. The pencil glides on like liquid, but provides pencil precision. And the retail cost for the Tristique Eye Duo, which includes the mascara and the eye pencil, is $44. This next item is from Glimmer, and this is the first time that I've heard of this brand. And this item is the Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. It says here on the info card as well that this is a new launch. But yeah, let's take a look at these brushes. This is what these brushes look like. They're really cute. They're pink, and it's got some little floating hearts inside there. So really, really cute. The Boxycharm info card states, glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. So these are the Glimmer Pink Lush Glitter Eye Brush Collection, and the retail cost is $29.95. And the last and final item that came in my box for this month is from Beaute, and this is the Perfect Primer. And the info card states that this is a moisturizing primer with a matte finish that will create a matte base for your foundation and help it to last all day. With everyday use, your skin will experience the benefits of great ingredients like green tea to soothe the skin and minimize the appearance of pores while reducing any redness. So yeah, this is another primer. I've gotten some pretty good primers in my Boxycharm boxes. I also got the No Problem primer in one of my Boxycharm boxes a while ago, and I really do like that primer. And the retail cost for the Beaute Perfect Primer is $23. As usual, I have totaled up the cost of all the items that came in my Boxycharm box this month, and the total amount of all 5 products comes out to $167.94. As you guys have heard me say before, I pay substantially less than $167.94 for my monthly subscription, so Boxycharm, in my opinion, is a good box. Boxycharm is a good way to try out new products at an affordable price. Now that I've showed you guys all the items that have came in my February base box from Boxycharm, let's get into the demo portion of this video. My face has been prepped, and I've also prepped my eyelids. I use my P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I am going to use this blush from MAC. This shade is called Beaming, and it is a part of their Extra Dimension Skin Finish line, and I'm going to use this as a brow bone highlight. I'm going to use this shade. This shade is called Camping, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I'm going to build this up to my desired level of intensity because I know the eyeshadow palettes that come from Beaute, they are very pigmented, so I want to take my time. I'm going to use this shade. This shade is called Hiking, and I'm going to use this in my crease area. I'm going to go back into Camping once again. That's the shade that I used as my transition shade. And I'm just going to make sure that I don't have too harsh of lines right now. So just going to do a little bit more blending on the top part here. Just adding just a little bit as I need it. And I am now going to come all the way out of left field, and I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Theme Park. And I'm going to use this on my outer edges, and I'm going to gently sweep that into the crease area as well. I've done my little half cut crease type of situation that I always do, and I'm just going to go back in now, and I'm going to do a little bit more blending around the edges. I want everything to be nice and smooth as usual. So just going to blend this in to lighten up those edges just a little bit. I'm now going to use this shade. This shade is called Fun. This is a shimmer shade, and I'm going to start using this in the inner corner of the eye and start working my way out. Starting off using this dry. I think I want to see what this shade looks like wet. So I'm going to use some of my MAC Fix Plus. That definitely amplifies this shadow quite a bit. I'm now going to use this shade, and this shade is called Water Slide, and I'm going to use this to marry the two shades that I already have on my lid together. The two shades I have right now are Theme Park, and I also have Fun. So yeah, I'm going to use Water Slide to make all of this just glide together. This is a very different type of look for me. I feel like I haven't worn something this fun and vibrant in quite some time. So I think this nostalgia palette from Ace Beauty came right on time, because it is good to be able to add a little bit of fun back into it, right? I'm going back into camping once again, and I'm going to add a little bit more definition in the areas where I've had to manipulate my natural crease line. And you don't have to do this. If you like it where there's a clear distinction between where you've actually carved out the lid, you know, you can leave that distinction there, but I just like to soften it up just a little bit. I'm going to use this liner. This came in this month's Boxycharm box, and this is from Trestique, and this is their Eyeliner and Smudger. So this is in black, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this in my waterline. The formula of this pencil is really nice. It's very soft and creamy. That can be a double-edged sword though, because sometimes if it's too soft and too creamy, it can run or smudge when you don't want it to smudge, but we'll see. Still feels quite nice and looks good too. It's got a little smudger there. We'll just smudge out the areas where I'm going to wear my wing. Not bad at all. All right, I'm going to do my top liner, add my lashes, and finish off my complexion, and I'll be right back. My complexion is done, and now it's time to smoke out my waterline, and I'm going to go back into this shade right here. This shade is called Theme Park, and I'm going to add this along the waterline, and I think for my inner corner I'm going to go back into Fun once again. That's the shimmer shade that I have here on my lid, and I'm just going to drag that around so that it also comes down on the waterline here. So yeah, we're going to get this waterline smoked out. I have added my lips, and this look is done. Just in case you don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly makeup subscription, and I normally pay $25 per month for my normal base box. Boxycharm is a good way to try out new products, and if you're interested, I will leave a link down below. You can use that link to sign up for Boxycharm, or you can go to www.boxycharm.com. You can sign up there, and you can start receiving your own box. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.